Assalamu alaikum student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So student, today we are starting our next topic, modes of communication, on book page number 45 to 47. So student, modes of communication, we all like to keep in touch with our friends and relatives by meeting them as often as possible. But is it possible? No. So, how do we stay in touch and with our loved ones? We can write letters, make phone calls, or send emails. Sending or receiving information or messages is called communication. Long ago, trained pigeon carried messages from one place to another. People went on foot or animals to deliver messages, but these means were slow and not so reliable. In the present world, communication is of two types. Number one, personal communication, and number two, mass communication. So, student, first, what is personal communication? Personal communication means communication between sender and receiver. So, first is our postal system. Millions of letter, card, parcel, and money orders are sent and received through post office. Mails is transported by vans, trains, aeroplanes, and ships. Now the second one is telegraph. In 1837, Samuel Morse invented a system of sending messages by telegraph. In the middle of 1800, the telegraph was the fastest way to communicate over long distance. The telegraph is a method for communication over a distance. Now, the second is telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1857. It is the quickest mode of communication. On telephone, a person talks to another person living at distance. Now, print media and electronic media. First, is the television has become the most important means of communication in our country. Today, the computer and the internet has made the communication faster. The internet and send emails instantly. You can send pictures and messages from one computer to another internet. You can also get the information about weather, latest happening around the world, anything you want to know. Another type of electronic media is radio. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. Radio programs are broadcasted to the whole world. Even illiterate people can listen and understand the radio programs. Television. Television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1926. It is more effective than radio. It involves both the sense of seeing and hearing. Any happening in any part of the world can be viewed in the comfort of our homes. Now, a smartphone combines the features of a phone and the computer. An e-book reader can be used for downloading and reading digital books and periodicals. All these latest means of communication have brought the world closer and helped to connect people. I now know sending and receiving messages is called communication. Letters and parcels are sent through the postal system. The telephone is the fastest means of communication. Newspaper, radio, television help to communicate with a larger number of people at the same time. The internet and email are now a popular means of communication. So, the student, I hope you understood the chapter. See you in the next class. Jazakallah.